Hello, a question I was asked this week was with regards to why is DigiTally being used for food and not for non-food, such as hardware and manufacturing, whereas these items don't have barcodes as well. That's right, they don't have barcodes, however, they also have a fixed margin. So if you have plumbing fittings, for example, they buy them at a set price and they sell them at a set price. If they don't count it on a Monday morning or at the end of the month, it's not a big deal. Whereas food on the other side is perishable. And when food is perishable, it affects the gross profit margin, which can fluctuate. It can go up and down. So what's important is that they count it on a weekly or worse on a monthly basis. And if losses are occurring, it's normally because of one of three things. It's either overproduction, excessive wastage, or poor portion control and poor practices that happen within the business. So that's the main reason why we looked at food. Again, it's a sector that I know very well, that I'd be relatively well known in. And that's the reason why we looked at it. So look, we're currently 42% funded in our crowdfunding campaign. If you do have any questions, please reach out. I'd be delighted to answer them for you. Thanks very much.